So, good morning, out of camp at 9 a.m. again, which is a little bit later than what we like to, but it's a-okay. We only have, it's true, we have about 6 miles to go, and, one moment, sorry about that. So I had to cross a little creek there, and but yeah, got out at 9 a.m. headed to a little camp hostel thing. They have showers, laundry, a little short resupply, but there's no bunks, it's just camping. So, but if we can get my clothes clean, because they are getting a little bit smelly, that would be wonderful. Crossing a beaver dam today. We'll see if we can. It was raining all night last night. So there is an alternative route, but it's a little bit longer. But we'll see if it's crossable. If it's not, then we have to go around. And then we have one nasty climb today. Let's see if I can film that. But onward we go. This is kind of a spooky place to have a cemetery. Cindy, Mouse Whisper, made a joke about hoping it's not a cemetery of hikers crossing the beaver dam. No disrespect. But yeah, kind of a weird area to have a cemetery. But, oh, onward. Okay, so I'm at the Stay-AT-Swatara Hostel. It's more like a campsite, but 2 days ago they set up like a canvas tent that I'll do a little video on, where you can get a cot pretty much. It's really nice for the amenities that it has. It has a working shower, it's pretty clean, has a flushing toilet. Everyone here is pretty cleanly, so yeah, it's just kind of nice. I'll kind of do a little tour here. Oh, they have kind of a picnic thing, and then back here we have a resupply. Here. Then here's the house. It's not currently working, but we are all sitting on the front porch here. That's Trash Tie and Water Boy. And then there's the tent site here. There's the water. It's the bathroom. Shower. And a washer and dryer and sink.